Drones are in development for delivery but have limited battery life. Research is being completed to produce the most efficient travel path for the power available.
Our project is bio-inspired optimization of the multiple traveling salesman problem. I am Kelly Lindsay and my partner is Beth Francis. The Research Experiences for Teachers is funded by the National Science Foundation and managed through the University of Cincinnati. Our research was based around the traveling salesman problem, which tries to find the optimal path for visiting all the given cities. The salesman must visit each city only once and return to the starting city. The multiple traveling salesman problem adds another level of complexity by introducing multiple salesmen and depots through clustering. Our research objectives were to learn and understand code written in MATLAB and to find a better algorithm that would minimize distance and time. Research methods included reading background literature to get a better understanding of our project and using MATLAB to compare different algorithms. We also tested a modified GA against the pre-written 2-opt and genetic algorithms. Using clustering to create and test a modified GA for the multiple traveling salesman was the final part of our research. The traveling salesman results for both sets of parameters clearly show that if time is important, the 2-opt algorithm is much faster than either of the GAs. Our modified GA managed to reduce the distance with a much smaller increase in time. The multiple traveling salesman results show that when looking at the individual cluster distances, the modified MyGA clusters tended to have more closely comparable distances with a lower variation than the MATLAB GA. MyGA seems to be a good starting point for developing a better algorithm. Real-life applications for optimization are everywhere, in artificial intelligence and in unmanned drones used for delivery and disaster relief. Career connections include logistics, path planning, computer programming, and the military. Societal impact is evident as people look for ways to save money by minimizing both time and cost. Kelly's unit will take place in a high school Algebra 3 class. The unit focuses on optimization of a tunnel design. Students will use the engineering design process to complete the challenge of using piecewise functions to mathematically model a tunnel and build a scale model. Beth's unit will take place in her 8th grade gifted STEM class. The unit will focus on optimization of distance at an amusement park. Students will use the engineering design process to complete the challenge of determining the optimal path for their assigned client. Presentation plans include communicating results as an important step of the EDP. For Kelly's unit, students will be presenting and explaining their solutions to their peers. Beth's students will create a presentation for their assigned client. They will present their solutions to the class as if it was the client.